Alright guys, so there's a safe and display. We got those safe and display at Lowe's. There's a Hunter. So this one, so starting out with those ceiling fans here. Those fans right here. And those are Hunter. There's a 52-inch Harper Reese fan. There's a 42-inch Harper Reese Kitchen fan. And those fans, 42-inch Harper Reese center rail. Those are 52-inch Harper Reese center rails. And of those, this is a 52-inch, 48-inch one. 48-inch one. 48-inch fans. This is a 44-inch one, 32-inch, 32-inch, and 2-inch. And those fans too. And there's fans. And there's the fans in the boxes. These are the fans we have. These are the fans. These are the same fans. Right there. So I had this fan since that's in my bedroom, and this one's a different color. So yeah, look at those fans. They're not bright out. Look at these those fans. Yep. Those fans right here. Fans display. These are the fans we have here. And this one's a Harper Breeze fan. There's a 62-inch fan. These are 52-inch fans, 56-inch, 72-inch. This is pretty big. Rim over 400. This is a 72-inch fan. So that's all the ceiling fan display. So safe on display. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.